Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Naila Balkis and I am your mathematics teacher from Division Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. Today we are going to start lecture number 10, Mathematics of Class 4. The topics which we have already covered are numbers up to 100 million, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, lines, rays and angles and their types. Today we will start page number 194 and the practice sheet number is 4. This practice sheet 4 consists of MCQs related to your first term syllabus topics. Each question is followed by 4 answers, only one of which is correct. Choose the correct answer and circle it. Now starting from question number 1, what is the value of 8 in the numeral 18,964? आपने 8 की वैल्यू बतानी है इस नंबर में जो कि है 18,964. Firstly, we will write them in the place value table starting from units place. 4 is at units place, 6 is at tens place, 9 is at hundreds place. These are ones. Then 8 is at thousands place, 1 is at 10,000s place, and these are thousands. Now the question is actually what is the value of 8? So here you can see 8 is at which place? Yes, 8 is at thousands place. So our answer will be 8,000. Now here in these options, where is 8,000? Yes, at B place. So this is our answer. B option, which is 8,000. Next question number 2 is, how many hundreds are there in 60,000? 60,000 में कितने hundreds हैं ये आपने बताना है. Now how can we find it? Firstly, we will make the place value chart and assign each digit its place value. Here the first 0 is at units place and the next digit, which is also 0, is at tens place, and the next digit 0 is at hundreds place, and the next 0 will be at thousands place, and the last digit, which is 6, will be at 10,000s place. So here we have assigned all the digits their place values. Now these are ones and thousands. As the question is, how many hundreds are there in 60,000? So we will start from the hundreds place. Firstly hundreds place, then thousand, and then 10,000. Here there are 3 places, 6 and 2 zeros. If we will combine them, 6 with 2 zeros, it becomes 600. So in 60,000 there are 6 hundreds. Here is another method. We can divide 60,000 by 100 and we will get our answer, which will be 600. So which option will be correct? C option, which is 600. Now question number 3 is, the number 5 with 5 zeros is the same as. Means आपने बताना है कि ये number 5 zeros के साथ इसको हम read कैसे करेंगे. In the same way we will write them in the place value table starting from units place, then tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and then 100,000s place. If we look at the 5, it is at 100,000s place. It means 500,000s. And how can we write it? At place of 500 we can write 5 with 2 zeros, and at place of 1000 we can write 3 zeros, and it makes 500,000. So our right answer will be 500,000 and it is at C option, 500,000. Now question number 4. How many thousands are there in 100,000? 100,000 में कितने thousands होते हैं? Here this is the place value table. We can write all the digits in this place value table starting from units column. Firstly unit, then tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000s. As we have to find how many thousands are there in 100,000, so we will start from the thousands column. Here in thousands column it is 0, moving towards the next. Here is 10,000s column, and at this place here is another 0, moving towards the next column. Here is 100,000 and 1 is at 100,000 space. So by combining these three places, they become 100. 1 with 2 zeros will become 100. So our answer will be 100, which is at option A. Now next question, question number 5. The product of 8,000 and 8 is. अगर इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट किया जाए तो what will be our answer? We find it. Product is the end result of multiplication. You have read this already. To get product, we will multiply given numbers. So it means we have to multiply these numbers to get our answer. By multiplying 8,000 with 8, we will get 64,000. Yes, so and here is another method to solve these. We can multiply them horizontally also. Firstly, we will multiply the 8 of 8,000 with 8. 8 8s are 64, and the 3 zeros of 8,000 will come with 64 as it is, and it becomes 64,000. So by both methods we get our answer 64,000. So at which option there is 64,000? Yes, at B option. So this is the right option. Question number 6 is the greatest 6-digit number that can be formed with the digits 8, 0, 4, 1, 5 and 6 is. सबसे बड़ा 6-digit number आपने बनाना है इन digits को मिला के. So how can we do that? To form greatest number from the arrangement of digits, we will arrange those digits in descending order. हमें इन digits को descending order में arrange करना पड़ेगा. And what is descending order? From the greatest digit to the smallest digit. बड़े digit से छोटे digit की तरफ. Firstly, we will write the greatest digit among them. And which is the greatest digit here? Yes, 8 is the greatest digit here. Now, from these rest of the digits, which is the greatest digit? Yes, 6 is the greatest digit. Now, from these numbers, which is the greatest? Yes, 5. And then next 4, then next 1, and in the last is 0. We have placed all the digits in descending order. Now what it becomes? 865,410. So our answer will be yes, C option. C option is the right option. Question number 7 is on adding 400 to 69,600, what will we get? We can find our answer by adding them. Here one thing you have to keep in mind is unit place column should never be blank. So here we have placed all the numbers in their places. Now starting from units place, 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, and then next column tens place, here 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, and then at hundreds place 6 plus 4 is equals to 10, we will write 0 of the 10 below, and 1 will be given as carry to the next digit, which is 9. Now 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. We will write 0 of 10 below, and 1 will be given as carry to the next digit, which is 6. Now 1 plus 6 is equals to 7, and this will be our answer, which is 70,000. And which will be this option? D. Question number 8 is, in the product of 345 and 6, which digit is in the thousands place? अगर हम इन दोनों नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं तो कौन सा नंबर जो है वो 1000 प्लेस पे आएगा? उसके लिए हमें पहले उसकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन करनी पड़ेगी. To get product, we will multiply the given numbers. So by multiplying 345 by 6, firstly we will multiply 6 by 5. 6 5s are 30. We will write 0 below, and 3 will be given carry to the next digit, 4. Next, 6 4 times is 24, and by adding carry on it, 24 plus 3 is equals to 27. We will write 7 below, and 2 will be given carry to the next digit. Now we will multiply 6 with 3. 6 3s are 18, and by adding carry 2 in it, 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. We will write 0 below, and 2 will be given as carry to the next digit. And here, as there is no next digit, so 2 will become below as it is. Now, as the question is, which digit is at thousands place? So we can see here 2 is at thousands place. So this is our right answer. Our answer will be 2, and it is in option A. Question number 9 is, divide the sum of 231 and 378 by 7. What will be the answer? आपने divide करना है 231 and 378 के sum को 7 से. So उसके लिए आपको पहले इनका sum लेना पड़ेगा. Sum means the end result of addition. So firstly we have to add them, and then next we will divide the addition sum by 7. Means हमें इन दोनों के addition sum को 7 से divide करना पड़ेगा. Now firstly we will add them by adding 8 plus 1 is equals to 9, 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. We will write 0 below, and 1 will be given as carry. Then next, by adding these 3 digits, 1 plus 3 4, and 4 plus 2 6. So our answer of addition is 609. Now we have to divide this answer with 7, as we have done the division in the previous lectures. So by dividing 609 by 7, we will get 87. So our answer will be 87, and it is at the option. Now the last question, question number 10. 10,000 less than 100,000 is. 100,000 में अगर 10,000 लेस किए जाए तो हमारे पास कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Here we can write them like this in the place value table. 100,000 like this, then 10,000, and the less means subtraction, so we have to subtract them. Here you have to keep one thing in mind is write bigger number up and smaller number down. Now for subtraction, always start subtraction from unit place. So we will subtract them from the units place. Here you can see that at units column, tens, hundreds and thousands column, there are zeros up and down at both places. So by subtracting zeros from zeros, we will get 4 zeros, and we will place them below at units, tens, hundreds and thousands places. Now next here is 10,000 place. We have to subtract 1 from 0, As 1 cannot be subtracted from 0, so we borrow from next digit. So here the next digit, which is at 100,000s place, is 1. We will borrow 1 from the 100,000s place, and at 100,000, by giving 1 to the next place, 10,000, it becomes 0. Here left only 0. And at 10,000 place, by borrowing 1 from 100,000, 0 will become 10. And 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Now here at 100,000 place, there is only 0. So here there is no need to write 0. So our answer will be 90,000. So in which option there is 90,000? Yes, in option A, which is the right answer. In the last, if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment box below. And thank you.